So we have seen income from capital gains, income from business profession, income from house property, and salary income also. So the income which does not fall under all these four heads falls under this last category, which is income from other sources. So income from other sources includes all kinds of interest income, interest on saving bank account, FD account, RD account, Kisan Vikas Patra, National Saving Certificate, interest on PPF, interest on EPF, Public Provident Fund, Employee Provident Fund, all such residual incomes which doesn't fall under any other heads. It also includes casual income like betting, gambling, income from horse races, online TV game shows, crosswords, puzzles, etc. It also includes income like gifts. So let's say I'm receiving a gift. So it is taxable. Now, gift received from non-relatives is taxable if the amount is exceeding rupees 50,000. However, if you are receiving gift from relatives, it is not taxable. Now, even when you are receiving gifts from non-relatives more than 50,000, it is also not taxable, but on certain occasions, like in case of marriage, in case of if it is inherited on the death of some person, so in case of such rare occasions. Talking about interest on saving account or on all kind of deposits. So there is special kind of deduction available for it, which is under section 80 TTA and under section 80 TTB. So what does TTA says? Now, whatever is the interest you're receiving from saving bank account is exempt up to rupees 10,000. If your saving bank interest is 15,000, the basic 10,000 remains exempt. So TTA is for all the people who are not senior citizens, and TTB is for all the people who are senior citizens, that is 60 plus years of age. Now, to these people who are senior citizens, not only saving bank account interest is exempt, but interest on all kinds of deposits is exempt. And the limit for that also is more. So where the limit for 80 TTA was only rupees 10,000 for saving bank account interest for normal people, here under TTB for senior citizens, interest exempt is on all kinds of deposits and it's up to rupees 50,000. So let's say he receives the interest on FD or something. Any senior citizen receives up to receives 1 lakh. So out of 1 lakh, the basic 50,000 remains exempt. Exempt income. So under income from other sources, there are certain incomes which are exempt. Like if I receive interest from Public Provident Fund, that is completely exempt. I don't have to pay any tax on it. On the PPF and EPF amount you withdraw at maturity is also exempt from taxes. EPF withdrawal is exempt only if you withdraw after the 5 continuous years of service. Family pension. So, if you're collecting pension income on behalf of someone who is deceased, then you must declare that income under income from other sources. Now, there is a deduction of rupees 15,000 or 1/3 of the family pension received, whichever is lower under this head. For example, if you receive 60,000 as pension on behalf of someone who is deceased. Now, out of rupees 60,000, you will be claiming a deduction of 1/3 of 60,000, which is rupees 20,000, or 15,000, which is a flat amount, whichever is lower. So here you will get the deduction of rupees 15,000. So now 60,000 minus 15,000, which is deducted, and the remaining 45,000 remains taxable. If you receive money from winning from lotteries, horse races, any casual income like crosswords, puzzles, online TV game shows, etc., it will be taxable under the head income from other sources at the flat rate of 30%, which after adding cess comes to 31.2%. Also, the TDS will get deducted on these casual incomes at the flat rate of 30%. So let's say you won 1 crore in कौन बनेगा करोड़पति.
1 करोड़ रुपए आपके बैंक अकाउंट में सीधे पहुंच गए हैं.
So they will be deducting your TDS at 30%, which is 30 lakhs, and you will bring home only rupees 70 lakhs.